Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to send money from Wise to another Wise account. And if you want to do this, the first thing that you need to know, it's very simple to do, but please verify your account on Wise. That makes everything easier and then you can send money to everywhere. Then after that we click on send and then we fill in right here my own country and then we fill in right here the amount. Then we select right here the payment option. So if you want to use your Wise wallet, select Wise and then you can use your Wise wallet. But I don't have any money standing on my Wise wallet. So then I click on other and then I decide to do a bank transfer. Then we do add recipient. And then what we're going to do is who are you sending to? Now I already selected right here my PayPal account, but we can also add someone. So then we do add and then we select right here search on Wise. And then this is the place where we can search for that person by filling in the Wise tag, his email or her email, phone number or business name. So let's do, for example, something as John Stem, something like that. Then you will find right here John Stem from Atlanta or John Seha from Hebra. And now you can search for that person that you need to have. So also double check his Wise ID, then select that person, then we do yes, continue. And then right now we are having his contacts and then we can go to continue payment. Then at this place, you need to select right here your bank's country. So we do the Netherlands and then we can click right here on the payment method that we want to use. So we do ING, then we do continue and then he will send us right here to this page where we can pay with our banking account. So this is how you can send money from Wise to a person on Wise, so with someone with a Wise account. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.